Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Apple ID profile photo. So let's go and do that. First thing first you need to do is go under the settings. So now under the settings, click on this profile right here next to the name that you can see here, RZ. This is the picture profile. Click on that like that, and now you have here some options. So again, click on this circle right here that you see RZ. So click on that and it pop up these settings right here. So now you see that we can add some picture if you have it. So we can add from camera or from library. Then we have some monogram for that and memoji or just emojis. So this is how we can add some different style to our profile ID picture in our iPhone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.